When you search for the best LED floodlights, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what really works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Tough Enough Solar Outdoor Lights. Let's kick things off with the Tough Enough Solar Outdoor Lights. Priced at just $24.69. These lights caught my attention with their unique 3-head design and remote control functionality. If you want effective outdoor lighting without complicated wiring, this is worth a serious look. These solar-powered lights pack a punch with 2,500 lumens of brightness, thanks to 210 LED beads. That means they can light up your courtyard or garage pretty well, and the 6,500K color temperature gives you that bright daylight feel. The remote control is super handy, allowing you to choose between 3 lighting modes based on your needs, whether you want strong light, dim light, or a constant glow. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It provides flexibility for different outdoor scenarios. Now, some folks mentioned that the lights can take a while to charge on cloudy days. Here's the thing though, if you strategically place them where they get maximum sunlight, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an easy-to-install, energy-efficient lighting solution for your outdoor spaces. Skip this one if you're after something that can handle heavy-duty, constant lighting. Now, if the charging time concern bothered you, the next option on our list takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Gonum-Par 38 LED Floodlights. Next up is the Gonum-Par 38 LED Floodlights, priced at $15.99 for a 2-pack. This caught my eye with its impressive dimmable feature and energy-saving benefits. If you want to save on your electricity bill while still lighting up your space effectively, this is definitely worth considering. These bulbs emit 1,800 lumens of daylight brightness while only consuming 20 watts, equivalent to what you'd expect from a traditional 200-watt bulb. The 180-degree beam angle means it can illuminate an area up to 70 feet, making it ideal for larger outdoor spaces. Plus, being dimmable, you have control over the brightness, which can help create the perfect ambience. Here's why this matters for you. It gives you flexibility in lighting without a hefty energy bill. However, some users complain about the installation being somewhat tricky if you're not used to changing bulbs. But I'll be real with you. It's a standard E26 screw base, so if you've changed light bulbs before, it shouldn't be too tough. This is perfect for you if you need flexible, cost-effective lighting for your outdoor areas. Skip this one if you're looking for something with advanced features like sensors or solar power. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list is even brighter and might be just what you need if you want maximum illumination. Product number 3, Onforu 75W Floodlights. Now let's talk about the Onforu 75W Floodlights, priced at $26.98. These lights are impressive with a brightness of 7,000 lumens, and I was genuinely surprised by how well they lit up my yard. If you need a robust lighting solution for security or work, this one's worth a look. With 75 watts, these lights can replace traditional 400-watt bulbs, which means you're not only getting brighter light, but also saving on your electricity bill, up to 85%. The 3 adjustable heads allow for a wide illumination area up to 270 degrees, which means you can customize how you light your space. Here's why this matters. It helps eliminate dark spots, making it safer for your home. However, some users mention they wish to have a motion sensor. Here's the thing though. If you're looking for something reliable that you can control easily with a wall switch, this still works great. This is perfect for you if you want a bright, energy-efficient lighting solution that covers a lot of ground. Skip this one if you want smart features like motion detection or solar power. Now, if you're looking for something with even more power, the next product is a serious contender. Product number 4, Onforu One 20W Floodlights. Next is the Onforu One 20W Floodlights, priced at $36.99. Right off the bat, I was impressed by the whopping 12,000 lumens these lights produce. Perfect for anyone needing powerful outdoor illumination. If you want to light up large areas effectively, this is definitely worth checking out. These lights feature advanced high-efficiency LEDs, which means you save a ton on electricity, up to 90% compared to traditional bulbs. With a 120-degree beam angle, these lights can effectively cover up to 1150 square feet, eliminating shadows. Here's why this matters. It provides enhanced security by making sure every corner is well lit. Now, some people did note that it doesn't come with smart features like a motion sensor or dusk to dawn functionality. But I'll be honest, the plug-and-play design makes it super versatile for both outdoor and indoor use, which could be a lifesaver for many setups. This is perfect for you if you have a lot of space to illuminate and want something straightforward. Skip this if you're looking for advanced smart features. Alright, that was a powerful option. But the next one offers something unique that might catch your attention. Product number 5. Onforu 2-Pack 75W Floodlights. Finally, we have the Onforu 2-Pack 75W Floodlights, priced at $53.99. These lights offer a solid balance of performance and efficiency, making them a great choice for those seeking reliable outdoor lighting. If you're looking for adjustable lighting with good brightness, this could be the option for you. With a total output of 7,000 lumens, these lights are just as bright as the previous Onforu model, but in a more compact package. The 3 adjustable heads provide a 270-degree coverage, which means you can direct the light exactly where you need it. Plus, with IP65 waterproofing, they're designed to withstand the elements. Here's why this matters. You could trust them to perform in rain or snow without worrying about damage. However, some users found the lack of features like motion sensors limiting. But honestly, if you need straightforward, dependable lighting, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want flexibility in angle adjustment and durable outdoor lights. Skip this if you need more advanced features or smart technology. So there you have it, 5 fantastic LED floodlights to choose from. Whether you need solar power, dimmable options, or just raw brightness, there's something here for everyone. Take your pick based on your specific needs, and you'll be well on your way to brightening your space.